Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pounds back with another crypto investment video. This time it's on QLiathon. And as you can see, you get your profits in just 10 seconds. And you can earn up to 6% per day. Now, before I go any further with this video, I have to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a very super risky YouTube dude. I invest in things you better not invest in. But then also I invest in some things that you should invest in. But then also, since I'm not your financial advisor, you better go ask somebody else before you invest in anything that I talk about on this channel, including my own projects, MMM, K100, QLiathon. I don't care what it is I talk about. Everything I talk about comes with the highest of risk. You can lose some or all of your money in everything I talk about. So, what does that mean for you? That means that you should only use risk capital, that you should go into these projects thinking about them like they're the casino or like they're the lottery. They're a game of chance, of luck, of skill. But if you do this thing the right way, you can make some money in this space. You can't be greedy. You got to get your initial seed capital off the table. Don't compound to the moon. Just don't do it. And then play with house money as soon as possible. And then if you have a broad portfolio of some lower paying ones and some higher paying ones, you increase your odds winning exponentially. But hey, I can't tell you how to do it. I can just tell you how I'm doing it. But you should do what works out best for you. Now, let me go ahead and get into this video. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. Like it, share it, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. Now, I've been in QLiathon almost for a couple weeks. I haven't given it a lot of attention because honestly, when they came to me, I thought, okay, here today, gone tomorrow, right? So pay me for a video, boom, they're going to be gone. Pay me for another video, boom, they're going to be gone. But guess what? They're still here. And then I've been talking with them. They've been making some updates and changes and stuff. And I said, well, okay, well, if you're serious, you're long term. The long term companies won't sponsor me. They'll pay for a marketing deal. What does that mean? That means you'll listen to what I have to say. You'll make improvements, you'll make adjustments, and you'll do something long term. And when I say long term, long term. And so when we are in long term marketing agreements, makes me feel better about a project. Now, does that mean that they will not rug pull or scam? It doesn't mean anything. It just means that they're heavily invested into seeing this project long term. Now, what's long term for them? Who knows? But I'm going to work this project because I think that it has some legs, considering the fact of the marketing deal that we signed. Now, folks, to get started, I'm going to show you step by step. It's very easy. You will follow the link that's in the video. Your account login is going to pull up this mobile page. You would click mobile. You would click register. And then I'm going to do just the dummy number right now for registration purposes. 419 456 1234. And then I'm going to put in a dummy password right now. And this is dummy. Let me see here. Dummy. And then I'm going to put in here dummy. And then whoever's invitation code should be in there. But right now we're just doing this for registration purposes. Oh, actually, I guess you need a registration code. Hold on 1 second. Let me go over here and get my registration code. Just hold that thought right there, folks. I will get this taken care of. QLiathon. QLiathon link. Here we go. I'm going to copy this right here. Copy link address. Now I'm going to get back over here to where I was with you. And then I am going to paste this here. And then now we have an address for registration. So I guess it is by invitation. And then folks, I'm going to stop the share screen and just make sure you're sharing the screen. I did a video the other day and the screen stopped on me. I don't like to be like that. So we're going to register. Okay, now you see the code is there this time. And then so I can't remember 419 123 4567. Is that enough numbers? 419 123 4567. And then password, we're going to do 123 4567. And then here, 123 4567. I think I did that right. That worked. Oh, passwords aren't the same. 123 4567. 123 4567. Now, I suggest you do a real password. I'm just doing this for registration purposes. Phone number doesn't matter. Password doesn't matter. Now, I logged into the site so you can see the setup. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about it before I show you what you need to do. Qliathon is an innovative financial platform dedicated to helping high-quality global enterprises cope with the cash flow pressure brought about by the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes. The name of the platform comes from the son of Poseidon, the god of the sea in the Greek mythology, implying control over water currents. To achieve this, Qliathon uses big data, artificial intelligence technology to screen and evaluate high-quality enterprises worldwide. Qliathon can determine the credit rating and borrower's needs of enterprises, providing them with low cost, efficient, and flexible loan services. This not only helps companies maintain operations in a tight financial environment, but also supports their development. Qliathon also packages these loans and issues liquidity bonds to provide platform users with stable returns and risk protection. The investment method allows investors to enjoy higher returns while reducing the risk of a single borrower. Through the issuance of liquidity bonds, Qliathon can attract more investors, therefore, by providing more sources of funding for enterprises. Liquidity bonds are digital assets issued through the blockchain technology and cryptocurrency infrastructure. These type of bonds combine traditional bond market concept with modern encryption technology to achieve more efficient, transparent, and secure financial transactions. Here's the advantage, folks, of liquidity bonds: cost reduction, improved efficiency, transparency, accessibility, and flexibility. Now, folks, after purchasing liquidity bonds, users can use the following benefits: stable income, risk mitigation, diversified investment, convenience, and support for innovative enterprises. Here's the advantages of Qliathon technology application: real-time risk assessment, early warning mechanisms, risk interception, and dynamic adjustment. You can check out their news and events, look at their roadmap, and see how well they're doing with their company plans. Now, here's their mission. Qliathon is committed to providing that cash flow, and their vision is to become a leading global financial technology firm. Their team is composed of a group of experienced professionals covering various fields such as finance, technology, marketing, and operations. Qliathon was founded in 2022. The founder has many years of experience in the financial technology industry and understands the challenges that companies face in responding to market fluctuations and cash flow pressures. Since its establishment, Qliathon platform has achieved significant success in the field of financial technology. In the future, Qliathon will continue to focus on technological innovation and product optimization to meet the constantly changing market demands. Now, here's the founding team right here, folks. You can take a look. Tom Johnson with 10 years of experience, Linda Wang with 8 years, Tom Johnson with another 10 years here, and then Sophia Davis. And then here's the assets and the users. And then here's the terms of service, folks, that you can come by and read for yourself. All right. And then so this is just their white paper that you can find in the back office of the platform. And then, folks, when you get started, you have to understand that there's two simple things that you do, right? You have to, if you want to get started with just $5, it's a free experience. You don't have to do anything as far as buying a bond. Now, let me actually read this to you, right? So what you have to understand is that if you plan to buy $10, $30, or $50 in bond, you do not need to buy a VIP2 membership. Now, what is a VIP2 membership? So if you wanted to level up, see, there's a level up button right here. You're currently VIP level 1. And if you wanted to take advantage of referrals, or if you wanted to put in more money than the lower amount, then you need to go up to a VIP2 level membership for $10. It's $10 one time. And then, folks, what you can see is that it opens up referral levels for 10%, 6%, 3%. And then also, folks, there's a level 3. If you want to go to level 3, this is $20. Now, hear me out. Purchasing these levels is a one-time purchase. You're either going to go with the free level, the $10 level, or the $20 level. This is not your investment in the platform. This is your ranking up to get more percentage points or your ability to invest more money in the platform. So now what am I saying? So here's your home button. And from the home, if you're investing on level one, folks, right here, you don't need to do anything. You just free experience here. Now, if you want to invest on the level two range, what is level one? $5, folks, right? You want to invest on the level two range, right? Then you have to get the membership for $10 to invest on there. It's a one-time $10 purchase. Then you can do 100, 300, or 500 in that particular range. And then, folks, if you want to go to level three, then you have to buy the $20 membership one time, excuse me, the $30 membership one time, and then you're able to invest 1,000, 3,000, or 5,000. Now, folks, I was kind of confused by this when I very first got in it. I didn't quite understand it. And then so I'm just going to go back here and then just read this because I did this incorrectly and I want to make sure that you got it, okay? And then so let me make sure I'm sharing my screen here correctly and then make sure you got the information correctly because I did it wrong the first time. This is the problem. Deposit $10. They didn't buy bonds. He bought a VIP membership. You need to explain this in the video. If they plan to buy $10, $30, or $50 bonds, they don't need to buy a VIP membership. So if you plan to just do $10, $30, or $50, you don't need to buy a membership. Now, if you plan to do $100, $300, or $500, then you need to buy a $10 VIP2 membership. And then lastly, if you plan to buy $1,000, $3,000, or $5,000 bonds, then you need to buy a $20 VIP3 membership. It's a one-time purchase for a lifetime. It has two functions. This is up to obtain the purchase of bonds of the corresponding grades. The second is to increase your referral income. It's the bond that gets to yield rather than the membership. So hopefully, folks, I made that loud and clear for you so that you also understand. And then, folks, you do get paid in 10 seconds. So let me get over here real quick. And then I'm going to pull this back up. Let me pull this back up here. And then so once you get started, okay, excuse me, I'm a little bit hot. Sweating just a little bit here. All right. And then so once you go ahead and get started, folks, right, I've already showed you how to sign up. I've already told you that you need to purchase a $10 or $20 membership if you're going to level 2 or level 3. Level 1, you don't need anything at all. Free experience, right? And then, folks, then you come over, right? If you are going to level up, you get your level up from right here, level 2 or level 3. You see that, right? And then you can see your records and your notice. Now, once you're in, folks, what you need to do is you need to come on in and then you need to recharge. Recharge is how you get capital into the account. And then this is your recharge record here. All right. Well, you won't see anything here because I was just showing you from a brand new account, but I'm gonna log into my account. And then you just send over the proper capital that you want to this TRC20 address. So it's TRC20 only. Send over enough for your membership and enough for your bond. If it's level 1, you need nothing. Level 2 and level 3, you need to spend either $20 or $30 for that. And then once you send that over, it'll be here in your balance. And then, folks, also you need to bind your withdrawal address. You need a TRC20 address. You go ahead and bind that withdrawal address. This is the address where they're going to send you when they pay you, right? You want to get paid. And then lastly, folks, on here, your mobile number is bound and all of that different stuff, and you're good to go. So now let me log out of this dummy account that I just made up right now, and then let me log into my actual account so that you can see how this works, all right? Okay, I just logged out, and then let me make sure I am sharing so that you can see. Okay, boom. Now I'm back to the login page. They're going to want your information. Let me stop share until I log in first because you guys are creepers around here. I have somebody fondling around in my account real fast if they can. So I am getting logged in privacy without you sneaky eyes seeing. Okay, now I'm logged in. Oh, dang. Did you see all of that? I think you saw all of that. Well, it's all right. You might have saw it all. Okay, I'm in. All right. I am in my account. All right. And then so folks, as a user, you can see that I got 3,200 in this account. All right. No earnings today. Everything I showed you over there, referral earnings today, not too bad. Thank you, referrals. You see, I'm on level 3 because I got 3,000 in my account. And then so you can see that the different levels pay different amounts. This is up to 4.5% a day. I like 4.5% a day, right? And then you can see that you subscribe for bonds, you wait 10 seconds, click again to get the proceeds. Earnings will be converted for USDT settlement. So it's very easy, folks. I'm going to go ahead and show you this on camera. I'm going to buy this $3,000 bond, go ahead and confirm to buy this purchase. And then look, 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then boom, and then I can go ahead and click receive. Remember my balance before, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and click receive. And then I just received that. Now you come over and look at my record. I received 135 today. And just literally, folks, literally 10 seconds. Now, you can't do this all day long. That would be just too good to be true to just keep going in 10 seconds, getting it, getting it, getting it. But literally, whenever you put your money in, your return and your profit is there in 10 seconds, then which you can go and withdraw it at that point. Now, folks, there is a withdrawal fee here. So when you go here to withdraw, there is a 12% withdrawal fee. I just want you to understand that you will have to pay a 12% withdrawal fee right here. And then the minimum withdrawal fee is $15. But you can see I got my whole 3,300 to withdraw. The withdrawals do work. I'm going to go ahead and withdraw this for you. Just so that you know that this does work. And then next time I'll do a video, I'll send the capital back over. But my withdrawal is successfully submitted and it's on the way. Okay. So on the way, folks. But this is Qliathon and it's been working. So we're going to talk about this thing a little more often. Like I said, we got a long-term marketing deal. You're going to see a couple videos a week. And I feel like when somebody's really trying to, take advantage of people, they're not paying for a couple videos a week for a long time. You can take that how you like it. I'm not telling you what to do. But the fact that we have this agreement for a long time, I'm expecting it to be around for a lot longer than a lot of the stuff that you be seeing coming in and out. But once again, no crystal ball. No, I'm not a financial advisor. You do your own research. You only invest what you can afford to lose, and you should always only use risk capital. And then, folks, if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. Please like it, share it, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. And then, folks, lastly, if you want to get in contact with me, let me go ahead and get up my website, which is cryptomadeeasy with the Z.net, cryptomadeeasy with the Z.net, which is your gateway to passive income with crypto, Forex, arbitrage, and copy trading. And then, so folks, you can come on over, take a look, and get involved. And then also my project K100 link and everything is right here in the description of the video. And then Qliathon, you will see on my website in just a few more days because it'll be almost 30 days that I'm in the project. Don't know exactly. But folks, you can get to my Facebook, to my YouTube channel, also to my Telegram. And then we have a link to my Zoom, which is every Thursday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, the link to Qliathon will be right here in the description of the video. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you and peace.